Alright, welcome back to the SMS 373 collection. I got this today, ordered it about a week ago off eBay. Believe it or not, SMS 373 does not have, until now, a LiftMaster model 8550 WLB original design. What do I mean by that? Well, I'm talking about the ones that had the tinted lenses, the 2019 and 2020 models. I have a couple of 2021 models with white bottom lenses. But this right here is a pre-COVID-19 built machine. And this is pretty much, dare I say it, one of the last ones that had good quality. We'll show you the labeling here. As you can see, 31020 8550 WLB non-267 MyQ unit. One thing I noticed about this is the case on it almost has like a oh, what do they want? Like a metallic-y finish in the paint. I don't know if the video camera will pick it up. It's hard to see it, but it sparkles. Where the original 8550 that came out in like 2011, they used the 828LM, which is by far the best 8550 that they ever made, in my opinion, did not have that. So, yeah, it's another 8550, but before you click off, I want to show you this one, because this one we're going to run on the door sometime in the future on CHIs like we did with the 3850, because this one, well, let me tell you, is quiet. So let me just run it for you here. Another reason why I like this unit so much is because, if you notice, it's powder coated on the top chassis. This is before they quit doing that, which, a little side note on that, that actually was discontinued because of COVID-19. That was not originally discontinued because of corporate greed. It was because of COVID-19. It turned into corporate greed when they never brought it back. But that is the little side note on that type of stuff. So that's why I like the belt clips and all that stuff. And then you saw like the white belt cap retainers on the AC openers. That was all COVID-19 related. But some of that they brought back, and some of it they were greedy and left out, which I don't agree with, as we all know, because I've shared my displeasure with the non-powder coated tops. While we're here, we'll run it one more time for you. Maybe. MC garbage. A little bit of rattle you're hearing is actually the cog rattling a little bit on the shaft of the motor. And what I'm talking about with MC garbage is this, by the way, not the opener. But yeah, this would have came with the battery in the box. That's the difference between the WL and WLB. Would have still came with an 893 Max and an 880 LMW, but it would have came with a 485 LM in the box. So anyway, this was kind of for the California battery backup law, I believe, is why they kind of decided to just include that across the line in the 8550s with the battery from 2019 forward. But anyway, that is the 8550 WLB early version from 2020. So yeah, that's a pretty neat unit, and sometime look out for the video. I will put it on one of the CHIs. Have a good one.